Hi. Students often confused about the values of 0 by 2, 2 by 0 or 0 by 0. What's the value of 0 by 2? Okay, let it be. What is the value of 12 by 3? Let 12 by 3 is equal to answer. Then 12 is equal to 3 into answer. But 12 is equal to 3 into 4. So answer is 4. So we can write 12 by 3 is equal to 4. What's the value of 0 by 2? Let 0 by 2 is equal to answer. Then 0 is equal to 2 into answer. But we know 0 is equal to 2 into 0. So we have an answer here that is 0. Hence 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Now consider 2 by 0. Let 2 by 0 is equal to answer. Then 2 is equal to 0 into answer. But 2 is equal to 0 into what? We are not having an answer here. So 2 by 0 is not defined. Now consider 0 by 0. Let 0 by 0 is equal to answer. 0 is equal to 0 into answer. But 0 is equal to 0 into 1. So we have answer is 1. But also 0 is equal to 0 into 2. So answer is 2. Again 0 is equal to 0 into 3. So answer is 3. Also 0 is equal to 0 into 7. So answer is 7. And so on. Hence 0 by 0 is equal to 1 or 2 or 7 or even 0. There could be an infinite number of distinct answers, different answers. It can be any real number. So which is to be taken for 0 by 0? We are not certain. So we write 0 by 0 is indeterminate. What is 8 by 2? Suppose there are 8 apples. If we distribute 2 apples each, then how many students will get apples? Let us see. We have 8 apples. First student is getting 2 apples. Second student is getting 2 apples. Third student is getting 2 apples. And finally, fourth student is getting 2 apples. That is, 8 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times 2. Therefore, 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Again 27 by 9. 27 is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 9. 3 times 9. So 27 by 9 is equal to 3. We can apply the same mechanism here. 2 by 0. 2 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus. How many times zeros? We don't have an answer here. So we can write 2 by 0 is not defined. What is 8 by 2? Again, we remove 2 apples from 8 apples. We are left with the 6 apples. Again, for the second time, we remove 2 apples. We are left with the 4 apples. Again, for the third time, we are removing 2 apples. We are left with the 2 apples. And finally, for the fourth time, we are removing 2 apples. We are left with the no apples. So, only 4 times we could subtract 2 successively. Thus, 8 by 2 is equal to 4. In the similar way, we can find 2 by 0. 2 minus 0, first time subtracted. We are left with the 2. Again, second time 0 subtracted. We are left with the 2. For the third time, we are subtracting 0. We are left with the 2. Again, for the fourth time, we are subtracting 0. We are left with the 2. Again, for the fifth time, we are subtracting 0, we are left with the 2, and so on. This process is non-terminating. So we can't say how many times we can subtract the zeros here. Therefore, we can say that infinite number of times 0 can be subtracted. Therefore, 2 by 0 is not defined. Thus, 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, 0 by 3, 0 by 4, 0 by 7, etc. All are zeros. 2 by 0 is not defined. Similarly, 3 by 0, 4 by 0, etc. So, division by 0 is not defined. 0 by 0 is indeterminate. We are not certain to take a special value here. Thank you. We shall come with some other topic in the very next class.